Okay, so you get into your 2014 Jeep Patriot, start it up, and you're driving along. I'm not going to be driving along, but we'll just pretend you're driving along and you turn on your turn signal, turn left, everything looks good. You're going to turn right, and that means you've got one of your bulbs are out. So we're going to replace that today. So replacing your blinker bulbs, say that 5 times fast. Blinker bulb, blinker bulb, blinker bulb, blinker bulb. Anyway, replacing them, pretty easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. So here we go. So I've got the gate up, and so you'll see here's where the blinker bulb is, and you'll see you've got 2 places that hold this on. Now I've gone in and normally these come with plugs that go in, and then you just take a pair of needle nose pliers and pull them out. Over time mine got a little bit worn, and so I went to these screw plugs, and we'll take these out and I'll show you what that looks like. So pretty much all you do, and you don't want to do this with an electric screwdriver or cordless. You want to do it manually, and then that will just come out. Here you can see that becomes loose. Do this one. I'm going to have to hold that still, so I'm going to turn this camera off for a second to get that to unscrew. I had to hold that in place with my finger in order to get that start to unscrew or to come out. So just take that out like so. It's out. Come out, but it will come out now. And just like that. Oops. Just like that. That comes off, so it's just those 2 holding it on. And so the bulb that's out is the top one. Give it a little turn, pull it out. There's the culprit there. And we're going to make a change. And to take this out, all you need to do is just give it a little pull. Comes right out. One's out of the package. Try not to break them. I dropped it, but we'll put it in here anyway. These tend to be pretty durable. And I'm going to go turn the car on, and we will see, turn the key on, and let's see if this comes on. And there you go. That simple. Let there be light. I'll go back and we'll put that in again. Line it up. There we go. Line it up, get it secure, and then we're just going to put everything back. Alright, so we're going to put the pieces back in. Make sure it's lined up where we want it. Screw in. Just bring it to a snug fit. That is pretty much it. here. And we're all back together, nice and snug. So, changing a blinker bulb in a Jeep Patriot, not too hard. Pretty easy, something you can do at home. Save a little money. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe below. And if you don't like my videos, be sure to subscribe anyway. And then you'll get that email that will tell you when there's videos out there that you can avoid.